Can you download Gemini to your computer? Well, right now when I'm recording this video on May 2025, there is no native Gemini AI app that is available for Windows PC, which is very unfortunate because there are so many AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity, and they do have native Windows app version that people could use. But for Gemini, unfortunately, we don't have a native Windows PC app. However, there is a workaround that lets you download Gemini, and basically we can utilize a technology called progressive web app that will turn Gemini into an app that you can run independently from the browser. So let me show you how you can do that. First, you have to open Gemini on a Chromium-based browser. You can use you can use Google Chrome, you can also use Microsoft Edge and many other Chromium-based browsers. And after that, once you are in the gemini.google.com website, you can go to this menu and then click Cast, Save and Share, and then click Install Page as App. On other browsers like Opera or maybe Microsoft Edge, the wording might be different, the menu location could be different, but basically you have to find this menu that says Install Page as App. Click on it, and then you want to name the app to be, let's say, Gemini AI. It's really up to you actually. Let's try Gemini AI and then click Install. Now the Gemini AI app will be launched immediately. So this is the Gemini website, but it is in the form of a progressive web app. And as you can see on the top section of the app, this is not built on top of Chrome. In fact, I could easily close Google Chrome, and yeah, there's this Gemini icon. I can open it, and this app can be used independently from the Google Chrome browser, and it works just fine. For example, I could ask it to, let's say, do a research about the latest RTX GPU. Hit enter and it will work just fine. Everything is accessible right here, and it log into your account. So it's very simple, and you can use Gemini without even using the browser. So right now, that's the only way we can use Gemini or treat it as an app in our Windows PC. But hopefully in the future, there's going to be a more native Gemini app that is available for a lot of platforms, including Windows. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.